Ever wondered how to elevate your cooking to the next level with the simple addition of herbs and spices? Well, wonder no more. Today, embark on a culinary journey as we explore the wonderful world of herbs and spices, and how they can transform your meals from ordinary to extraordinary. Start with knowing your herbs. Fresh or dried, herbs add aroma, flavor, and color to your dishes. Basil, for instance, works wonders in pesto and pasta, while rosemary and thyme beautifully complement roast meats and vegetables. Use them whole, chopped, or ground, but remember, add fresh herbs towards the end of cooking to preserve their delicate flavors. Now let's spice things up a bit. Spices like cumin, coriander, and turmeric are the backbone of many cuisines around the globe. Toast them lightly in a dry pan before grinding to release their aromatic oils and intensify their flavors. Add them at the start of cooking to allow their flavors to meld with your dish. Mastering the art of combining herbs and spices takes practice and a bit of culinary intuition. But here's a tip: less is more. Start with small amounts and adjust to taste. And remember, herbs and spices not only add flavor but also pack a nutritional punch, so don't be afraid to experiment and play around. Now you might ask, what about shelf life? Well, dried herbs and spices can last for years if stored properly. Keep them in a cool, dark place and make sure they're tightly sealed. Fresh herbs, on the other hand, can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. In a nutshell, cooking with herbs and spices is all about understanding their unique characteristics, knowing when and how to add them to your dish, and storing them properly to preserve their flavor and nutritional value. Remember, cooking is an art, and herbs and spices are the colors on your palette. Use them wisely, and your dishes will sing with flavor and aroma. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't shy away from that spice rack or that bunch of fresh herbs. Embrace them, experiment with them, and watch as they transform your cooking into a culinary masterpiece. Happy cooking!